Welcome. In this video I will show you how to enable dark mode on macOS 27. First of all, let's open the Apple menu and go to Settings. After that, on the sidebar, go to Appearance and change the appearance to dark. This way you will enable the overall dark mode in your system. You can also make the icons and widgets darker by selecting dark theme for them. Besides, if you don't want to enable dark mode overall, everywhere, you can simply make your wallpaper dark if it supports the dark mode feature. Just find your wallpaper on the sidebar, open this menu, and change the value next to it from light or automatic to dark. This way you will switch to the dark wallpaper. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.